You ever just want to open a website and it's blocked? Or maybe you're just trying to watch something but it won't load because of your region. Happens more often than it should. That's where a good VPN comes in. And if you're using Chrome, a browser extension might be all you need. Not all VPN extensions are worth your time. Some are slow, others collect your data, which completely defeats the point. So let's talk about the one that actually does the right job. Planet VPN's free Chrome extension. Well, unfortunately, most free VPNs are garbage. They promise the world, but the moment you click connect, they hit you with sign up to continue, your free trial has ended, upgrade to premium to unlock this feature, or my favorite, speeds are so slow that it feels like you're back on dial-up. And even worse, some of them log everything you do. Seriously, your browser history, your IP, even what you type. If the word free sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Planet VPN lists the script. You don't need to create an account. You don't even need to give up your data. You install the extension on your phone, click connect, and you're browsing securely and anonymously. It gives you access to real VPN servers, not proxy junk, and it encrypts your traffic so your ISP, schoolwork, or whoever's lurking can't see what you're doing. And no, it doesn't suddenly ask you to upgrade after 10 minutes. So why use a VPN in your browser anyway? Because most of us spend all day on Chrome, streaming, emailing, watching random videos we swore we wouldn't get sucked into. So why not protect that part of your activity? Planet VPN's Chrome extension works only inside your browser, so it won't get interfered with games, Zoom calls, or desktop apps. It's lightweight, fast, and doesn't slow your browser down like some bloated VPNs do. Let's talk about what people actually use VPNs for. Watch a YouTube video that's not available in your country, problem solved. Netflix hiding a show you know exists somewhere else, switch the server, refresh, and it's there. New sites blocking your region, access them in one click. Trying to book flights without, oh, you're from X country, so we'll raise the price. Trick. Yep, VPN can do that too. Planet VPN makes this all possible, even in the free version. Now, I'm not gonna throw buzzwords like zero knowledge DNS over HTTP at you. Here's what matters. Your data is encrypted, and Planet VPN doesn't log your activity. They've got a strict no logs policy. What you do online, that's between you and your internet, not them, not anyone else. So if you're using public Wi-Fi or you're just someone who doesn't like being lost online, this Chrome extension has your back. And let's be honest, depending on where you are, some websites aren't accessible. Whether it's streaming platforms, news outlets, or even simple tools, it's frustrating to hit a wall online for no good reason. That's where a solid VPN comes in. It's not about breaking rules, it's about accessing the internet the way it was meant to be used. Planet VPN makes that easy. No complicated setup, no hidden fees, just free, reliable extension that helps you browse more freely and securely, right from the Chrome browser. So yeah, there's a lot of need for VPNs out there. Some good, some shady, most of them. But if you want a VPN that's actually free, doesn't nag you every 5 seconds, and just works inside your browser, give Planet VPN's Chrome extension a try. No account, no logging, no speed caps. Just real free VPN access right in your browser. You'll find it in the Chrome store